Welcome the our channel. Today we how to register with Google Cloud Storage for media uploads in mobile. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the Google Cloud Console on your mobile device. If you don't have an account, tap on Create Account to set one up. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Once logged in, tap on the Project drop-down at the select New Project to create a new project for your media uploads. Enter a name for your project and choose an organization if applicable. Tap Create to finalize the project setup. After the project is created, navigate to the left sidebar and find Storage. Tap on Storage to access the cloud storage settings. You might need to enable billing if it isn't already active for your account. Tap on Settings in the Storage section. Select the bucket option to create a storage bucket. Tap on Create Bucket to start the setup process. Provide a unique name for your bucket, which will serve as its identifier. Choose the appropriate location for your bucket based on your requirements. Select the default storage class that aligns with your storage needs. Review your selections and tap on Create to establish the bucket. Now that your bucket is created, it's time to set permissions. In the bucket settings, find the Permissions tab. Tap on Add to grant access to users or applications. Specify the permissions they will need for uploading media. Once permissions are set, navigate back to the main bucket page. To upload media, tap on the Upload Files button. Select the media files you wish to upload from your device. Confirm the upload by tapping on Open or the equivalent option. Wait for the upload to complete, indicated by a progress bar. After the upload finishes, your media files will be available in the bucket. To manage these files, you can tap on them to see options for sharing or deleting. You can also organize files into folders within your bucket if needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.